If betrayal could be forgiven, the devil would be sitting beside the God. Okay, honestly, I never understand this concept of forgive and forget, or I never believe in this concept. Ki just forgive and forget. I don't believe in this thing. I believe in don't forgive and don't forget. And you know what? I'm not telling you or forcing you to believe in this concept only just because I believe in it. It has a reason, and you can choose between two options. Here also you have two options. First one is that don't forgive and don't forget, and the second one is that forgive but don't forget. And both will come with benefit to you. Both will be beneficial to you. But if you will choose forgive and forget, that will never be beneficial to you. And honestly, not at all lying, but I find the forgive and forget one so stupid. Now, how it will be beneficial to you? Listen and understand. See, if you will believe in forgive and forget, first thing that you will do is that you will sacrifice your self-respect and forget and forgive that person who has betrayed you so badly. And a person who has betrayed you once will betray you 1,000 more times. They knew about your feelings, how you will feel about that, how you will feel when they will betray you. They knew everything, but still they chose to betray you in spite of thinking how you will feel, or in spite of understanding how you will feel. So why will they think about it now? Why will they think and care about your feelings now if they didn't do it at that time? It actually makes a lot of sense. And if you will believe in the concept of forgive and forget, you will forget how they betrayed you. You will forget each and everything, and you will just forgive them. You will make again that perception of them in your head. Again, you will set that nice image and nice perspective of them in your head. You will forget everything. And what will be your self-respect at that time? You didn't respected yourself. You were like, okay, they did to me, fine. Just forgive and forget. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. You forgive them. You sacrificed your self-respect. You sacrificed your inner peace. You sacrificed your own trust. You betrayed yourself by forgiving them. You'll do that, and the second thing is that you will forget it. And if you will forget it, you will not learn from it. You will forget it. You will again think that okay, they are that only nice person. You will think like that. But if you go with the concept of don't forgive and don't forget, you will not forgive them. You will not sacrifice your standards. You will not sacrifice your self-respect. You will not sacrifice your inner peace, and you will not betray yourself. You will value yourself. You will know your worth. You will understand that okay, I don't deserve to be treated like this, and I don't deserve to take such people back in my life when I have an option to delete them from my life. When you have that option, and even at that time when you will choose yourself, you will not choose them, you will not forgive them, you will not forget what they did to you. At that time you will be able to make a strong decision for yourself. Why? Because you are not forgiving them. That is why you will not forgive them. Why? Because you have your own self-respect, your self-worth. You know that you don't deserve to be treated in that way, and a person who has treated you in that way will face consequences. And the second thing is that you will not forget it. You will not forgive it. Why I told you will not forget it? Why I told you will not forgive him or her, and why you will not forget it, that I am telling you. See, you will not forget it, then you will actually learn from it. When you will constantly repeat that thing in your head, and you will have a high value standard of yourself, and you will not forget what they did to you, at that time you will be able to make a strong decision for yourself. You will be like, okay, I cannot forget what they did to me. I cannot forget how I felt at that time. I cannot forget the way I trusted this person, but how I got betrayed. I cannot forget that feeling. And when you will not forget it, at that time you will force yourself to make a strong decision in spite of thinking about their feelings. This is why don't forgive and don't forget. This concept makes a lot of sense, better than forgive and forget. And the last option, that is okay, I don't glorify it too much, I don't find it too good, but yeah, still listen. The last option is that forgive but don't forget. Okay, if you are that type of person who doesn't hold grudges, actually you know what, it's not about holding grudges, it's about feeling and understanding yourself more. It's about respecting yourself more. That is why I believe in don't forgive and don't forget. But if you want to believe in this concept, that is of forgive but don't forget, okay, it's also fine. Forgive that person. Don't hold grudges. Don't sacrifice your self-respect. Sacrifice each and everything of yourself and just forgive that person. Be the big person and just forgive them. Okay, I don't believe in this, but if you want, you can believe in this. So yeah, just forgive that person, but don't forget it. Why not forget it? So that when the next time they do to you, they do that thing to you, you will remember that, okay, last time I forgave this person, but they did to me and now they are doing it again. So you will realize this thing. Don't forget and don't go back to that person again. Remember what they did to you. Forget them. Okay, if you want, forget them. But don't forget what they did to you. And what are the consequences, whatever it is. Start staying away from that person. Don't go back to that person. Don't trust that person again. And you know what? Just make them so distant from you. Just distance them a lot. Just be away from them. I'm telling you to forgive them. If you want, if you choose this concept, forgive them. But don't forget and don't be fooled again. The best part of not forgetting is that you will not get fooled again. You will remember how you felt, whatever happened to you, you will remember and you will not let that same thing slide again. You will not let that same thing happen to you again if you not forget. So now if you understood all the three concepts, you will realize that the most stupid one was forgive and forget. You will forgive, sacrificing your everything, your self-worth, your standard, your self-respect. You will sacrifice everything and just forgive that person. Also, on top of that, you will do another stupid thing, that is, you will forget everything. You will forget, you will not learn anything, you will not learn from your mistake. You will be like, okay, what happened just happened, I will let that slide again. I will let that thing come again, I will let them do that to me again. Why? Because I forgot everything and I'm not learning anything. This was the most stupid one. I like the most, that is, don't forgive and don't forget wala concept, because it actually makes a lot of sense. I will not forgive because I have high self standards, high worth, and to be very honest, I believe in this one only. That's why I'm not going to forgive. It's my choice. And on top of that, I will do another good thing, that is, I'll not forget also. If I'll not forget, I will respect my feelings even more. I'll not forget, then I will learn also from it. That's why I believe in this concept, that is, don't forgive and don't forget. The third one was also pretty good, like it's better than the first one, that is forgive and forget. The third one was that forgive but don't forget. Okay, if you want to forgive, if you are that person who just likes to forgive, sacrifice yourself, respect your worth, your standards, whatever it is, sacrifice everything and just forgive that person, but don't forget. Don't forget. If you'll not forget, you will learn from it. If you'll not forget how you felt, you will respect your feelings even. So yeah, do let me know in which concept you believe, and did you understood all three concepts or not, and why you believe in which type of concept. Do let me know. And yeah, at last, just remember this thing, that forgive and forget is the most stupid one. Okay? Either believe in don't forgive and don't forget, or believe in forgive but don't forget. It will be always beneficial for you.